In the heart of the city, where stories unfold, Mac and Cameron sit with their mics and their gold, talking about Pallmann, the magic oil they found. It's a 2K system and it's really renowned. Oh, Pallmann magic oil for the kitchen and bath, with beauty and durability, it's on the right path. Mac and Cameron share all the secrets and tips. Join us for the ride, don't let your interest slip. Moisture resistance, where it matters the most. In every spa or floor, that's what they boast. Cameron's got a story, and Mac knows it well. Together they weave a podcast spell. With every drop that they share, wisdom flows. In the world of wood floors, that's how it goes. From treatments to care, they'll cover it all. Listen in close, you'll be having a ball. Oh, Pallmann magic oil for the kitchen and bath, with beauty and durability, it's on the right path. Mac and Cameron share all the secrets and tips. Join us for the ride, don't let your interest slip. From shiny surfaces to the ways they can clean, they'll talk about the wonders as no one's ever seen. With laughter and charm, they'll brighten your day. So pour yourself a drink and come hear what they say. Oh, Pallmann magic oil for the kitchen and bath, with beauty and durability, it's on the right path. Mac and Cameron share all the secrets and tips. Join us for the ride, don't let your interest slip. So here's to the floors that are lush and refined, to the magic of Pallmann, let it unwind. Follow Mac and Pallmann, they'll lead us anew. In the world of oil finish, there's so much to view.